to walk down the street to buy some ingredients. My brain didn't like it. I love this wax seal so much. And it's so much fun. Baking some diabetes-friendly gingerbread for my grandmother. Had to go back to the shops, but my puppy's waiting for me. Just got inside. I had to lie down immediately. But Pip is looking after me. Aren't you, baby? Look what she gave me. Is she taking it now? Ten minutes later, I'm sitting up. She's still here. The door is just there. Where are you, door? A few meters. We can't get up yet. I know, thank you, baby. I know you're worried about me. Trying to get to my shopping. It's just flour and Powerade. Here, Pee-Pee, pass me the Powerade. No? We finally made it to the couch. Sally is asleep. He had no idea.
Last minute, not sure what you're going to get. You can ask any Bunnings team member.
Why the bum?
Excited about buying presents.
So I'm having some salty, bad for me, $1 noodly soupy stuff. But every time I go to eat it, my glasses fog up and I can't see what I'm eating. I want to bake some more goodies, but I'm feeling a bit sick, so I'm going to cheat and use a red velvet cupcake mix and make it Christmassy by adding some spices and these cute little fondant-y toppers. You know how usually they give you extra cupcake liners? Well, the first one was like that, and the others... someone mucked up at the Greens factory, but they're delicious. So it did not make anywhere near enough icing. It got air bubbles, farted out, and I didn't get to finish. My brother prefers without icing anyway. That's not actually how you eat a cupcake. You have to open it up. Rip it in half. Flip it over. Make it like a sandwich. Trust me.